Hello and good morning. It's about 15 minutes past 9 and we are here in front of Correntos Canal and in about 40 minutes we are going inside and kailangan na hintayin ang instruction kung ready na at papasok na kami sa kanal. So check it out. The canal connects the Gulf of Corinth in the Ionian Sea with the Saronic Gulf in the Aegean Sea. It cuts through the narrow isthmus of Corinth and separates the Peloponnese from the Greek mainland. It is a single channel 8 meters deep, excavated at sea level, measuring 6,343 meters long by 24.6 meters wide at sea level and 21.3 meters wide at the bottom. The rock walls, which rise 90 meters above sea level, can accommodate ships with a width up to 17.6 meters and draft up to 7.3 meters. The construction began in 1881 and completed on July 1893. para magbayad ng toll fee. Almost 500 euro. Punta. Exit. Ang aking mini boat at ang ginagamit ko para itali yung white rope na yan papunta dun sa rock para sa aming safety. Yan ang aking pinaka main job, safety ng boat at ang passenger. At eto naman yung tender namin para ihatid yung mga passengers sa beach pagka ganitong nasa island kami or nasa malalim na part ng dagat. So yun yung mga job description. So yun yung mga job description ko at responsibilities ko as skipper, like hand. At yung mga ibang gamit namin nandito pa since wala namang gagamit, so hindi naman to binaba. Ayan, water ski, kayak, SUP. Nandito kami ngayon sa may Paxos Island. Malayo na kami sa Kefalonia, Lefkada. Malapit na to sa may Corfu, Greece.